Okay guys, here's a short one. So it's been wire brushed and then cleaned, wire brush and then cleaned. Here's the flex, I painted it. This is heat paint. I know it's not going to last forever. It's just going to maybe slow down the process. It's already got some time on it, so this will probably be the last time that this cat ever comes out. I suspect it'll last the rest of the life of the engine. It's in better shape than it was coming out, going back in. Those register marks that I left when I painted, I know exactly where they're at. Got a little bit of schmutz on the inside there, not too bad. Also left the old O2 sensor in there so I didn't get any paint on the inside.